mom already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then hello guys, today's video we're gonna be filming a maintenance vlog, which I'm super excited because I really miss my natural hair. Like, girl, look at these lashes. Also, my outfit is like really cute. Okay, so don't mind my lashes, like they look so crazy, y'all. Wait, let me get my phone because I put a list of everything I need to do. Okay, so I need to do my hair. I have braids underneath this wig, so I need to take my braids out, and then I do want to give me like a little trim. I also need to do my nails. I finally found something on Pinterest that I got like some inspo from, and I really want to go for like this like kind of cherry theme. Also because I just got a new phone case, and it's not this one, but I'm gonna put it on like later. But I just feel like it's gonna look so cute matching my nails. And then I also need to do my toes. Probably just gonna end up doing French tip again, but I think I'm going to add something on my big toe to like spice things up. I also have waxing on here. I need to wax like my mustache area. I need to wax my brows. My brows finally been growing out and they're starting to look so good. I also need to wax my stomach. I'm gonna do some skincare later on tonight, so I think I'm gonna get started with my toes, and then I think I'm going to start waxing everything. Got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money. Okay guys, so I finished my toes. Also, yes, you guys see the lip liner. I just opened up my packages, and I just got this lip liner that I was doing like some research on TikTok of like the best liners and stuff like that, and this was one of them. And y'all, this is actually super cheap. Like, to think I was about to try like a $40 Dior lip liner to see if it was worth it, but I was reading the reviews on Sephora, and a lot of people were saying that it like was going away easily. And I would have been really mad if I spent $40 for a lip liner just for it to rub away easily. Since you guys have seen my toes, I'm going to show you my phone case so you guys can see what I was talking about as far as wanting my nails and toes to match. Look how cute this is, y'all. Look at the cherries and the bows, y'all. It is so cute. Literally so cute, y'all. So yes, I had to do something cherry, and then plus all I do is pink and white, so adding a little red I thought it would be like really cute. And then my man loves red, so in my nail set I'm definitely probably gonna put his initial because it only makes sense. Yeah, now that my toes are done and super moisturized and juicy, also because I scrubbed my feet the other day to prepare them for this day, now I'm going to get ready to start waxing. And I saw a little mustache coming in, so I need to make sure that we get that under control.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite.
Okay guys, so I've waxed. My eyebrows literally look so good, y'all. Like, they're just getting better and better. I waxed the hair like around my belly piercing, and then like up here and around, because honestly I can easily just shave the rest, but I feel like it's way more harder to get in with a razor like around this area. So just putting like, you know, moving this to the side and putting wax here and ripping it off, it makes it grow less thicker, and it's just easier to wax. And I don't like waxing my full stomach because my stomach hair never even grows like that. It's just obviously right here, you know, in your private area, hair grows here, so I just like to wax that area so I don't have to like really just shave. all I have to do now is I still have to do my hair and my lashes. Yeah, I've had this wig on for a while, so it should come off like really like easily, to be honest, compared, if you've seen some of my videos, you guys know that like the wigs do not be trying to come off. Now, it always feels so good to take that off. Okay, these are my hairs. Okay, and I'm just like, and my grandma is supposed to be helping me later take these out, which I look really forward to that because I definitely don't feel like taking these out. Okay guys, so I had just cut a few more hairs. I just cut some hairs in the front because they're just a little bit longer than the ones in the back because I tried to cut my hair by myself and I did it wrong. Okay, I'm going to be using Aussie today. I'm always using different products, so it really doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm massaging the conditioner into the front of my hair, and I know for a fact this gets the rest of the built up wig glue that I have in my hair, and when you go in and wash your hair and go in with a comb, it slides out like butter. But I can't find my shower cap, so I think I'm gonna just try and put this bonnet halfway on my head. Okay, we're gonna kind of do this. It can get washed if anything. It's just, oh wait, I could probably put in a little ponytail, probably get some better grip. There we go, y'all. See, we're gonna make something happen. But yeah, that just, you know. Oh my god. Okay, but next time I tune in, I'm for sure gonna be starting my lashes. Okay guys, so my lashes are done. I was gonna do some bottom lashes, but like, I don't know y'all, like I feel like they look so cute like this. I didn't even add like any spikes this time. I did spikes last time, tried it and I loved it, but I kind of missed my short to long cat eye look, so I just stuck with these. Plus over time they just start to look really wispy. I feel like with my other ones, once the spikes come off and the other side still has spikes, it'd be looking crazy. So yeah, I just did these. But I really wanted to get everything done today, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do my hair. But I'm just gonna get up early tomorrow and do my hair because I need my hair done for the day anyway. I have clients, so I'm going to do my nails.
Well, my bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad,
high
but now I'm a
volume,
bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now I'm a bitch okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too.
Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower. I've got some shrinkage right now, so do not mind that. But I'm about to start styling and doing my hair. I think I'm going to, honestly, I feel like it would just be easier if I just had my hair into 2 buns. But I think I want to do like 2 buns with the rest of my hair like down.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like.
Okay guys, so I finished my hair. I'm literally just like wearing it in this like little cute pigtails with like half of my hair down. I do have a hair tutorial coming soon on how I get my curls like really juicy. Look at that girl. Y'all see that? Like, okay guys, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take another look at the nails, y'all. And I was so surprised. As I was washing my hair, none of my charms came out. And yeah, nothing messed up, so happy about that. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys tune in with my other videos, and bye.